All right, number 7 is some basic quadratic formula stuff. So you have maybe a problem like this, 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. And then you need to remember the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. That's crazy. You gotta remember that every single time. So commit it to memory now, make a flashcard, sing it as you go to sleep. But in order to actually tackle these problems, we have to remember what a is. A is the number in front of, or the coefficient in front of this first term, which is x squared. So a is equal to 2, that's that number. B is equal to the coefficient in front of the x term, so this is 3. And then C is equal to this lonely little guy out here. And he's not just 2, but he's negative 2. So x equals negative, what's our b value? 3 plus or minus the square root of 3 squared would be 9 minus 4 times 2 times negative 2. That came from the AC, which were negative 2 and positive 2 respectively. All over 2 times a would be 2. So we have x equals negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 9. Now this is a little bit of a traffic jam. We have negative 4 times 2 times negative 2. So the negative and a negative make a positive. And then 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16. All over 2 times 2 is 4. So we have x equals negative 3 plus or minus the square root of 25 divided by 4. And because 25, you can reasonably find the square root. I mean, you can find the square root of any non-negative, even a negative. You can do it in college, but this is a reasonable number to find the square root of. So x equals negative 3. What's the square root of 25? That's right, 5. Plus 5 over 4. This one is negative 3 minus 5 over 4. And this will give you, 5 minus 3 would be 2 over 4, which gives you 1/2. And then this one would be x equals, let's see, negative 3 minus 5 is negative 8 over 4. So x equals negative 8 divided by 4 is 2. So you have two answers. X equals 1/2 or negative 2. And if this is a real life example asking you, like, how high did he jump? You can't jump negative 2 feet, or you can't have negative 2 whatever. So this wouldn't be an answer. You'd have that as an answer. But for right now, we have two answers because it's a parabola. All right, try one more on your paper. Let's try 0 equals 1/2 x squared plus 2x plus 2. Try it on your paper.